End of our first quarter score at 21.
Huwag lang mabilis. Yung ano lang, ganyan. Para hindi, blur.
Video na lang.
Lantang ina. Vlogger! Vlogger! Nakakawit pala to.
Sa gitna.
Nakakawit pala to.
Shoutout po kayo rin. Hanapin na yung isa po.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tabe Covered Court. It's a Salamis Laglagan, Game 2. Between Roca and Pro 4. Score natin kakatapos ng first quarter is 21-13. 8-point lead by Roca. And nandito ang idol ko, si Chuakuko, Luis Chuakuko.
Idol! Uy, patuloy yan!
Idol, isang tingin naman o.
Binagdagan natin by South Senado. Back to back to jersey number 34, Alpha. Jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 23. Lagaras, number. Nakakuha rin yung jersey number 21, pass to jersey number 8. Again, the pass to jersey number 28.
Score 21-15. 6-point lead by Roca.
Pass to jersey number 12, jersey number 6 because no good. Jersey number 12 seconds violation. Ano ba? 12 second shot clock. Good Sherman. Jersey number 6 pass to jersey number 4. No good. Not Dino. Jersey number 7, Para don't have an umbrella. Pass to jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, the 2 minute of press, no good. Regular jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, Chua take a pass to jersey number 23. 2 minute of press.
Score natin 24-13. Oy, kayo.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 21. Tumira, no good. Nakapang jersey number 23, pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Subog ng press. Pass jersey number 21, no good. Jersey number 1, pass jersey number 23. Relegated to us, Sambola. Jersey number 6, no good. Now jersey number 6. Let's see time out at 4-4. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Zoom the press. No good. Now jersey number 6, pass jersey number 10. Pass jersey number 23, Lagaras. Pass to jersey number 24. Tumira ng press, no good. Nakapag jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 28. Lepes, no good. Nakapag jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, pass to